Hi, in this video we will see remainder and factor theorem of grade 9 chapter named polynomials. So this is a very important theorem. You will definitely get one question of each in your exam. So let's get started. Remainder theorem. So firstly, without reading the statement, first I'll explain you what the theorem is with an example because the statement is little confusing. So once I explain it with an example, then I will come back to the statement. So generally we know how we divide it, and on dividing we get the remainder, right? Let's say I have an expression x minus 2 divided by x square minus 4x plus 4. So generally we divide and it takes a lot of time, and at the end we get a remainder. So this is a long division method which consumes a lot of time. So apart from this, we have remainder theorem wherein we have only 2 steps to do the question. So let's see those 2 steps to do the remainder theorem. First is find the zero of the divisor. Now you know that this is the divisor and this is the dividend. We know this, right? Divisor and dividend. So first step is you need to find the zeros of the divisor. Zeros of the divisor is basically my divisor is x minus 2. I will equate this to 0 to find the zeros, to find the answer. So then x equal to 2. I got x equal to 2, the value of x. Once you get the value of x, the second step is you need to put x equal to 2 in the dividend. These are the only 2 steps that you need to do. So when I substitute x as 2, so 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4. So 2 square is 4 minus 8 plus 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8 is 0. So the end result that I get is the remainder. The end result that I get is the remainder. So there are only 2 steps to find the remainder. First is you need to find the zeros of the divisor, and the second is you need to substitute that 0 in the dividend to get the remainder. Now let's see what the statement is. It states that when the polynomial p of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a. So this is our polynomial. Okay, this is our polynomial p of x and this is x minus a. Then the remainder is p of a. Then the remainder is p of a means here what is the value of a? Here a is basically 2. So when I substitute 2 in my polynomial, so basically this is p of 2. Then the end result that I get is the remainder. So it's very easy. First step is find the zero of the divisor and the next step is substitute in the dividend. So now this next one is the factor theorem. It is just opposite, the same procedure. If for a polynomial p of x, p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor of p of x. Now in my previous question we had seen that if p of a is equal to 0, here we got p of a as 0, right? We got the answer as 0. Then x minus a is known as the factor. So then I got, let's say, p of 2 equal to 0. So this is the value of a, isn't it? P of a equal to 0. Then x minus a, that is 2. X minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. So if my remainder is zeros, let me, relate with the remainder theorem. If my remainder comes out to be 0, then we say that it's a factor, right? So these are the 2 most important theorems. Follow my next video to see some important questions based on these 2 theorems and based on this chapter. See you in the next video. Thank you.